with me to go on a date. And like, I tend to not look the most normal of people when I put on my makeup. Like, this was literally my makeup just the other day, and like, I don't wanna scare them away with all of that on the first date. Like, I feel like I should just probably do something casual and normal, especially since we were just taking a walk. There's no need for me to dress up like that. Although on the other hand, maybe you should go in like 100% yourself on the first go so that they can see what you're dealing with. Or what do you think? To be completely vulnerable. Why can't I say vulnerable? For a moment here, I have not at all felt ready to date in a really long time because I just simply, with my mental health and everything, I just don't feel like I'm a catch. And it's a bit like, if you gotta come with warning labels on your biography, then what's even the point if my life is all about surviving for the moment? But at the same time, that just feels so ridiculous of me to be thinking. Like, don't most people come with baggage either way? Why should I be any different? Why should I be the one not worthy of finding love? Absurd. If you at all in any way can relate to that, then just know you are so much more than your mental health. You are more than your disease. You do have a personality beyond the depression, and you can still be a lot of fun to be around and build a life with. Life is an uphill battle for all of us, but we were never meant to go through it all alone. At least, I don't think so. I am so not having a good eyebrow day. I'm gonna go super simple with the eyes, just some brown and some shimmer. Maybe just a little dash of smoke. I almost forgot to show the final glam, so here we are. Pretty cute. Wish me luck, cause I'm gonna need it. I'm a very awkward person. Okay, bye.